How do you get started using KvCORE? Well, what you got to do is you got to upload your database. Well, back it up a step further. You got to get logged onto the system. But once you're logged on the system, you really have to upload your database. So I wanted to go over that with you today. It's really simple. You jump in here to Lead Engine, go to All. This page pops up. And here it is. It's bulk imports. And so you get in here. There is a guide to do it yourself if you wanted to. What I do personally is I just submit a file. It takes less than 48 hours, and they walk you through the steps here. Your information's auto-populated. I'm an agent. I'm in the US. I'm going to have them assigned to myself. They're owned by me. And then you go in and you choose a file. So here's a farm that I did up in Chico. Do you want to have a note to the file? No. What is your preferred lead status for each? And you go in and you can put a lead status on your form, or you can pick it. I'm going to go in here and say that these are our sphere. Now, this one's important, hashtag. You want to attach a hashtag to all the different categories of leads that you import. So, for example, if you did Zillow leads, you want to attach a Zillow hashtag. If they were Boomtown, Commissions Inc., maybe you did an open house, maybe they don't have anything to do with that and they're just your past client database, whatever it is. You want to use as many hashtags as you can because it's going to help you market to different clients as you get familiar with KvCORE. So yeah, let's do a hashtag and we'll do Chico non-owner occ, because these are all non-owner occ purchase buyers. And then we want these to be buyer leads for the type of marketing I'm doing. No, I don't want to assign lead alerts. Do you want these leads to have a smart campaign? No, I don't. Because on these two things, if you said yes to lead alerts and yes to smart campaigns, the system would automatically assign those lead alerts and smart campaigns, and they would just start sending them out. And I'm not at that stage with these leads, but when I get to that stage, because I have the hashtag attached to it, I can go back and assign those campaigns as I see fit. And so you go through all that, you can put in additional information, and you just say submit for processing. It takes about 48 hours and it shows up in your database. Super easy to do, but this is how you really get started with KvCORE. So I'm Alex Dyer. I'm an agent here in the Sacramento market. I'm with EXP, and I am teaching agents here locally how to get going on KvCORE and how to really ignite their database. So if you're with a company that doesn't have a CRM like KvCORE, come talk to me because I can show you how to use KvCORE to ignite your database. And if you're with EXP currently and you haven't tackled the KvCORE CRM, I do teach classes and I do one-on-one trainings. Thanks.